Hi everyone, my name is Aditya and this video will show you a quick demo of how to quickly get started with getCREDIBLE. First step is to quickly log in using your email. All you need to do is download our mobile app or visit our website, and then in the home page you will have an option to enter your email to sign up for the first time. So over here I am going to quickly sign up with my email address. Click continue and then it'll prompt me to create an account. And now it'll ask me to verify my email address with the code that was sent to it. So look up your inbox for that unique code. Once you get that code, input it into the app and then verify it, and then all you need to do is set a password so that you can log back into your account. Once you're done, you're taken to the home screen, and then all you need to do is get started by creating your first project, post a couple of milestones, and you should be good to go. So what you can do is quickly set up your profile so that you can share it with others. Click on the profile picture icon on the top right part of the screen, click on edit profile, and then you can upload a profile picture, provide your name, your location, an optional bio, and then you can add other information such as social links to your Twitter account, to your GitHub, to your LinkedIn. You can add experience, as I'll show you. So over here I'm clicking on add link to provide a Twitter link. I'm going to click on add experience to provide my experience at getCREDIBLE. So for company name, I'm going to provide the name of the company, my job title, a description to explain what my role was to give better context, and a location. It could be remote or physical location, anywhere, and then your start date and end date, or it could be an ongoing job too. Once you're done, you can view your experience over here on this page. Optionally, you can add education, and then your completed profile should look like this. Then once you're done, you have an option to publish your profile. So that's about it for this short video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video in this series to get more idea on how else you can utilize getCREDIBLE to establish your professional credibility. Thank you.